All right, so I've been looking up and down, left and right, side to side, and I finally found it, bro. Manger Haitian. Let's get it. So this place is called Perle des Antilles, or Perle des Antilles. It's located in Arlington, Texas. It's like 25 minutes outside of Dallas. Close enough, I can't complain. I got griot, G, Haitian mac and cheese, bro. If you could smell my car right now, it smells like I'm back home, bro. And then I also got poule akra, and I got du jojon. And they even had sauce pois. R.I.P. my Uncle Ralph, man. This was the shit right here. If y'all didn't know, my family's from Haiti, and this is what I grew up eating right here. And ever since I moved to Dallas, bro, it's been a drought, bro. I can't find no Haitian food nowhere, right? I took it upon myself to learn how to cook Haitian food. This food is very complicated to make. There's so many steps to it. So it's good to have a place that has food ready to go. I'm excited for this. I'm gonna put the sauce pois on the rice like this. Sauce pois, du riz blanc. Let's go. Bro, I can cry right now, son. You can tell she's cooking it up with love back there. Let's go. Macaroni and cheese, Haitian mac. Oh my God. This place been open for like less than a year now. You wanna try the griot? Oh my God. This is crazy. Bro, who would have thought Haitian food in Dallas? That's crazy. I already know I had to get the pickles. So we're gonna do this, right? Pickles on the griot. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Could never have too much, you know what I mean? All right, so now let's try the du jojon. Oh my God. When I was younger, never really appreciated Haitian food. It was just regular, right? We had it every day. But now that I could barely find any, I really appreciate it now. Oh my God. Let's try the akra. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to end this video so I can go in. But we got banan peze right here. Fried plantain. This is another staple right here. You gotta put the pickles on there. Just don't forget the pickles, bro. Spicy, amazing. I also got pate codé. This is already looking fire. Let's try it. That bon pate, oui. It's actually fire Haitian food. This is not like they just cooked whatever. They put love into this. It tastes like home cooked food. Sauce pois. I'm giving this place a 9.7. Everything is cooked amazingly.